Headlines do more terrify than clarify, and maybe you've heard a record number of sellers are cutting home prices. But that's the missing content. There's a difference between the asking price and the sold price. The asking price is the amount a seller's hoping to get when the house is listed. But some sellers are shooting too high for today's market, and when they do that, they don't get a lot of offers, so they drop the price. This isn't the same thing as the price a house ultimately sells for. The final sold price is the amount a buyer actually pays when the transaction is done, and the number isn't coming down. Let me show you what I mean. Today, actually home prices are about 6% higher than they were a year ago. Anything in blue means prices rose over a year. The darker blue is a gain, and then you can see the prices rose just about everywhere in the country. So while today's data shows appreciation may be softening going forward, it doesn't mean overall homes values are declining. They're still higher than we were last year. So if you're thinking of selling, give me a call, 773-550-4846. Let's have a seller's consultation. Let's look at the market trend. Let's look at the value of your property. And you never know, you might run into a multiple offer situation in today's market. My name is Hugo. I'm with Coldwell Banker, and I serve the Chicagoland suburbs, and I'm your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. And don't forget to follow us on our social media, like, comment, and share.